Welcome back. Right, the first one here. Okay, so there's a lot of value on the back end there, where the scatter shot and the eagle is, and good value at the tunnel, but I won't go for the tunnel because there's a 2 space gap between those walls and I wouldn't get it, so I'll base the back end right here. Try to get the scatter shot right here, and then I'll start the sui on the side where the X-bow went down, so there's not a lot of damage on my queen. Okay, alright, I got it. Got everything, so I'll go with the queen now. Try not to waste time, so drop her as soon as the wizards are done. So I'll go with the king here. I want him to stay on the outside because there's nothing in that inferno compartment that is good for him. Funnel him using a sneaky to go right into this monolith compartment. The queen should go in naturally because the king is outside. Alright, just go with the ability. Alright, that's all she needs. That's all you want from her. I'll go with the RC now and start the lava loon. Okay, freeze the tunnel and the sweeper. Keep freezing until you reach it. Go with the next one on the hunters and warden ability as the tunnel drops. Remember, when that one coming over, put loons, place loons to get the defenses that are being tanked, and that should be it. So whenever you come across this base, just remember the 2 tile gap at the tunnel there. You can't go after the tunnel because you won't get it. So come from the opposite side and sui on the side where you took down the ground X-bow, then Lalo through tunnel. Right, this base. It's the first time I'm seeing this one. I don't know how to approach it. I really don't know what to go for, so I guess I'll just go for the monolith. Yeah, I'll go for the monolith side. Yeah, nothing big, just go with loons and the blimp. Alright, try to pick up that monolith. Create some funnel. Oh, the wizard won't get it. That's unfortunate. So okay, that base really didn't got anything. So go with the queen on this side. Didn't get that. Avoid the monolith. Go with the queen on the next side. Just avoid it. Go with a sneaky on the king. I want him to come down in this compartment. Alright. So I'll send a wall breaker to give queen access to all that. And another one for the king. Freeze the rage tower. We don't want it to go off as yet. Can use another freeze if you want. Just go with the queen ability. Start the RC. Okay, just wait on her. So I'll try to send a hound to see if it could pull any trap at the back of the town hall. Go with the next hound. More loons into the town hall. Send like 6 or 7 of them to the town hall. Go with the ace on the next headhunters in the warden ability. Alright, freeze up that rage tower. With other defenses, freeze it again. Don't want it to go off. Okay, keep freezing. Alright, so it's the first time I'm seeing this one. So the next time when I see it again, I'll make sure I get that monolith with the blizzard and attack it the same way how I did and be more faster. So I bet when I find this again, I'll 3-star it for sure. Okay. Alright, this one. Okay. I saw Stars did a plan on this type of base, but it's not the same base. Okay, look at the monolith. Look at the wizard tower right at that air defense with the monolith on the right. It's a lot of value, so I'll go for it. Freeze this poison tower. Alright. Oh no, tornado. Wow. Worked out better. So I'll take all the value here. Yes. Wow, nice. Yeah. That's a lot of value. So go with the queen into this multi-inferno. Hit on the ice columns. Poison them. Alright, so I'll just break queen into this compartment by herself. And I'll try to get king for the town hall. So remember, whenever you find this base or a type like it, go for the value at the monolith area right there. And go with the king. With the queen into the inferno and king for the town hall. So okay. After you break in the king, you're gonna go with the RC right in the middle here. Because there isn't any threat for her. King is tanking the ground expo. Alright, make sure to freeze the town hall when he's engaging it. Okay. RC should stay in the middle there and start the Lalo on the top. And the warden from right over the inferno here. Ace into it. Go with headhunters and the warden ability. Go with the next round from the back end. And yeah, it should work. The blizzard value was too good, so it doesn't matter if your Lalo will be sloppy. It should work. Once you get that value with the blizz, it doesn't matter how many times you mess up. you should get it. The value was too good. Alright. Okay, this one, I don't know. I don't know this one, so I'll go for the tonal section here. Like, I'll just go for the tonal and here on one of the sides. Okay. Okay. Going good so far. Alright. I'll come from this side. I'll avoid the next X-bow with the queen. I won't go at that side. Alright. Start king on the cannon there. Like this. Alright, just let them do their thing. Make sure to lean him a little bit to the right side so he can walk down. Wait until he step forward. He got that spring shot. Alright, go with a freeze spell on the ability. Like, always go with a freeze spell when the queen lock on to your king. With the when the enemy queen lock on to the king and there's like a scatter that locked on to him too, go with a freeze. Like, it will make you let you get more value out of the king. So I'll go with the Lalo now. Go heavy on the first group there because we're going into the multi. 5 loons. Go to one ability early because we're facing the scatter shot and the multi, so no need to wait. Right. It's not looking good. Nah. Alright. This one, it's not gonna work out. It's a fail. What could I do better? I don't know what I could have done better. Okay. Next time I'll start the Lalo as soon as I drop the RC. Think that's where I need to fix. So I'll approach this base just like how I did. I'll do better next time.